Alright guys, so you've seen me complete this Rubik's Cube here from rubikscube.com, and I believe it may be Hasbro. Possibly got it from Walmart or Target, and one of those places. Can't remember. This, on the other hand, is Disney, and as you can see, we've got Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Mickey Mouse, Daffy, no, Donald Duck, Pluto, and Daisy, I believe. Anyway. The main difference between these ones is that on this, of course, there's no faces, but the middle cube here actually plays an important role. Unlike here, where the middle cube is the same color as everything else, it doesn't really matter which way it's oriented, it looks good. Here, this is more challenging because unless that middle cube is in the right position, it looks messy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.